Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss one more example using the Colspan and Rowspan in HTML of tables topic. Okay, just open the VS Code and just take the new file like table. Okay, let's take the table and name it as table example 1 table example.java. Okay, and after that create the boilerplate, sorry, HTML. Then create the boilerplate. After that we need to take the table tag, and inside the table tag you need to take the border equals to 1 and just mention cell padding equals to 5 and cell spacing equals to 5. Okay, and after that t head. Okay, inside t head tr, inside that td. Okay, just today our example is about this timetable. Okay, before going to that, okay, just take one h1 tag and name it as timetable. Okay, just name it as timetable with all capital letters, or nothing will happen with any heading. Yeah, and here okay, here you will having first row as consisting of day and day slash period. Okay, day slash period. And what is let's take th. Okay, that will be the table heading. Th stands for the table heading. And th, what is another thing? First 9:30 to 10:20, right? 9:30 to 10:20. Okay, next take another heading, and that will be to 10:20 11 10 10 11 10. Next 12 to 12:40. Okay, let's take from, okay, give some space. Okay, 3, and then take 12 to 12:40. Okay, 12 to 12:40, and after that again you have to take 12 to 12:40 as this. And name it and remove this Roman number. Okay, next 4 12:40 to 1:30. Just use the BIOS. Okay, move to this, take after this, take BR, and after this take BR, and after this take BR. Okay, our output is like this. Okay, and let's compare the code. Okay, you will be getting like this. Okay, and our output is like this, right? Just drag it and just to close, and okay, just see here, or you can use after 9:30 you can use the BR for the same, I mean next line, for the next line use the BR here. Okay, no issue with that. Yeah, next is tbody. Next is tbody. T heading is completed. Next we have to go for tbody. Okay, as tbody, let's take tr, and in the td you will be consisting first day is the Monday, and in Monday what are the periods we have? Okay, in Monday, engineering, maths, chemistry. Okay, Monday, take eng, maths, and you have to take chemistry. Okay, after that it should be Tuesday. You can write Tuesday. In Tuesday what are the classes? Only lab, right? Only Tuesday you will be having only lab lab. Okay, after that, okay, and before going to that, you have lab and physics in this. Okay, just take lab, and let's take physics. Okay, and after that, after lab, afternoon will be engineering, chemistry, math, sports. Engineering, chemistry, engineering, chemistry. Okay, engineering, chemistry, maths, and what is the next one? Sports. Okay, after this, on Wednesday, maths, physics, engineering. On Wednesday, okay, let's take another tr inside the t body. td, engineering, maths, and let's take chemistry. Okay, engineering, physics, maths, physics, engineering. Okay, sorry, maths. Let's take Wednesday, physics, and what is the next one? Engineering, maths, physics, engineering, maths, physics, engineering. Okay, next, you will be having the lunch here in the first row, from after the chemistry. Okay, after the chemistry you have to take, after the chemistry class you have to take lunch. Okay, and that should be all capital letters. Okay, it's completed. Wednesday, chemistry and library will be the Wednesday things. Okay, chemistry, and next take library. Okay, after that Wednesday, Thursday, physics, engineering, chemistry. Let's take another tr, let's take another tr, td, Thursday. And what are the things are present on Thursday? Physics, engineering, chemistry. Physics, engineering, chemistry. Okay, after that lab and maths. Okay, after that maths. Okay, this is the things on Thursday. Let's take another tr with the td of Friday. Okay, and let's take td, and what are the Friday things? Physics, engineering, chemistry, lab, math, same. Okay, just copy the Friday's timetable and paste that in, sorry, Thursday timetable, and paste that in the Friday one. Okay, and just see our example whether what you got in our output. Okay, it has to reload. Okay, this is our timetable. We need to be adjust. Okay, we need to adjust this. Okay, just look at the table carefully. As Monday, only 3 columns. That's good. And the fourth column, it has to match all the rows. Right, it has to match all the rows from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, lunch has to match all the rows with the 5 number. Okay, just go for the first thing and just go for lunch and take Rowspan 5. Okay, what is the output? It's loading little bit late. Yeah, you got it right. Next, look at our source code. Lab has to 1. Lab is occupying 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, right? Then what would be the call span? 3, right? Yes, lab is equals to call span is equals to 3. Okay, what is the output you are going to get? Lab is equals to, it has to occupy 3 columns. Just wait. If you're facing lag in my video, just use that 1.2x or 1.5x, then your video will be, it will go as per your wish. Okay, yeah, we got it right. As a lab and the physics is matched, and next our timetable is, you will be having like, just is there any matching? Yeah, we got it. Okay, and we need to decrease its size. Okay, let's see here. Okay, and Tuesday has total labs at the morning, so lab has to be call span 1, 2, 3. So use the call span at lab. Okay, Tuesday we have to use the call span. Call span equals to 3. Just see the output. Okay, just see the output. We got it right. Lab is somewhat increased. Yeah, lab is used here with the total morning of lab, and then we have sports. Yeah, it's engineering, chemistry, maths and sports is matched. Okay, and Wednesday you will be having maths, physics, engineering, and lunch is okay. Chemistry, library has to match with 3 columns, that is chemistry, maths, sports. That is the timetable of 4, 5, 6, 7. So use under library. Okay, under library use call span equals to 3 because it was occupying 5th period, 6th period, 7th period. Okay, so library has to be 3 call span. Okay, on Wednesday, right? Yes, on Wednesday. Yes, on Wednesday after chemistry. Just use the capital letters. Library, RARY, library with the call span of 3. Okay, and you got it right. It was loading still. Yeah, library is loaded as library here, and chemistry is here. And next on Friday, physics, engineering, chemistry. Yeah, and then lab has to occupy 4th and 5th and 6th periods. That means call span 3. And here in the Friday, it has to save. Okay, just increase the call span 3 for the both the Thursday and Friday lab tables. Okay, just go for this, use the Colspan as 3 and make that text is in capital, and just make the text as capital. Lab, same, right? Colspan equals to 3. Just look at the code here, right? It was matched. First day engineering, maths, chemistry. Lab for the 4th, 5th, 6th sections, and 7th is physics. As a second day, morning is lab, engineering, chemistry, maths, sports, and Wednesday math, physics, engineering, and lunch has to be same for all the weekdays. And chemistry and library, physics, engineering, chemistry, physics, engineering, chemistry, and lab and maths is same for the Thursday and Friday. Right, this is a example using the Colspan and Rowspan. Okay, if you want to set this lab, I mean, here you will be saving in lowercase, right? Just change that into uppercase. You are able to see the lab as a uppercase here. So if you want to make it center, we have to use the inline CSS, that's text align center. Okay, if you are using that, text automatically aligned at center. Okay, but it has to, yeah, here it's aligned with the center. As you see here, it's beginning, but it should be already, it's at the middle of that. Okay, that's the main inline CSS is applied. Okay, how we will apply the inline CSS? Okay, just look at this. Just take the style tag in the opening tag, style, and use the text align and the center. Okay, in Tuesday this will changes to the center. Okay, it will changes to the center where it applied. Yeah, it's applied, it's center. And if you want to use that in Thursday and Friday, you can apply that and use it. Okay, like you can use, like style. Okay, and also text align center, right? You will see that these two labs as lab is aligned at center. Okay, yes, successful. Okay, that's all about today video regarding the tables. We had completed the problems of I mean, look at the examples of Rowspan, Colspan, what is table, what is tr, what is th, what is tbody, right? Th, td, tr, tfoot, all we had been seen. Okay, and if you want to use the tfoot for this, okay, if we are not used right up to the tbody, let's take tfoot. Okay, and tfoot, let's take the tr and td. Okay, inside tr, let's take the td. That is engineering timetable. Okay, engineering timetable. Okay, it's all about that. Okay, if you look at the output, we got like engineering timetable. Okay, but I want to make it at the rate engineering timetable, and I want to occupy all this over the table, right? I want to occupy this from, it has to at the center. Okay, let's, this is the one column, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give the call span equals to 7. Okay, call span equals to 7. Okay, call span 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, what about 8? Okay, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, as the columns is consisting 9, right? So we have to give 9. And if I want to place that in center, just use style, or you can use, instead of td, you can use th. Okay, th will highlight the text in the bold. And let's use the style and text align at center. Okay, and this is the output we got, and we have been completed our table topic with a good example of timetable. And at h1 also you can apply the inline css, okay, like style, okay, like style, text align center. Okay, this is the code we had been developed. Okay, that's all about the tables topic we had been covered. And if you have any doubts or any challenges during this, and if you want more example, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.